Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am your host Prabha. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this subtle festive makeup look which you all can recreate easily. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Okay, to fill my brows, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Contour Pro Pencil in brown medium shade. This is a 4-in-1 defining and highlighting product, and the texture of this pencil is quite buttery, which makes it very convenient to use. With the definer side of the pencil, I'm defining my eyebrows and with a flat brush, blending it downwards. To prime, I'm using the Wet n Wild Hydrating Primer Serum. To prep the eyelids for the eye makeup, I'm applying the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Caramel. And setting it with the translucent powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For my eye makeup today, I am using the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. It is a gorgeous palette with a mix of some warm toned as well as pearly shades. First, I am dipping into this brick brown shade called Summer Yum and applying it in the outer corners of my eyes with a fluffy blending brush. And I am dragging the shade slightly inwards. Next, I am applying the shade Candied Peach right next to the brown shade. It is a lovely matte peach shade with fine shimmer specks in it. I am using the same fluffy blending brush to apply this shade. Now I am taking this shimmery peach shade called Just Peachy and with a damp shader brush applying it in the inner part of my lid till the center, merging it with the matte peach shade. Once again, I am applying the shade Candied Peach to deepen it a little bit. Always take time to blend the shade so that the transition from one shade to another is seamless. For the inner corners of my eyes, I am applying this dull gold shade Nectar with a small eyeshadow brush. Now to cover my dark circles and pigmentation spots, I am using the same Maybelline concealer and with the concealer brush applying it under my eyes. And setting the concealer with the translucent powder in patting motion. For my base, I am using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade Nude. It has a full coverage and stays on for a pretty long time. Now I am setting my foundation with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium. For contouring, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and applying it on the circumference of my face and nose as well to create some shadows and give structure to my face. Coming to the blush, I am applying this beautiful peach blush by MAC on my cheeks and temples. This is the Spring Sheen blush. To add a subtle glow on my face, I am applying the Prosecco Pop Highlighter by Becca on the high points of my face. Now with Sugar Cosmetics Kohl Pencil in Blackout, I am lining my lower lash line as well as my waterline. Next, I am applying the shade Charmed I Am Sure, which is a warm brown shade over the kohl and smudging the two together. And below this kohl, I'm applying the shade Summer Yum and smudging it well on the lower lash line. Now I'm taking this liquid eyeliner by Miniso and making a wing liner. This is a very good waterproof option if you are looking for a pocket-friendly range. I'm drawing the liner on my lower lash line as well, only halfway through, and connecting it to the upper lash line. To brighten my under eye area, I'm applying a little amount of concealer Born This Way by Too Faced in the shade Warm Beige and setting it with a small damp beauty sponge. For the inner corners of my eyes and brow arch, I'm applying the shade Nectar. Now once again I'm blending the eyeshadows for a seamless look. For mascara, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit Cosmetics and applying a generous coat on my top and bottom lashes. This is one of my favorite mascaras as it gives a curled and uplifted effect to the lashes. For lipstick, I'm using the shade Jackie Brown by Sugar Cosmetics. This is a muted earthy brown shade and is a creamy matte long wearing lip shade. Finally, to lock my makeup, I'm spraying on the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you had a wonderful time watching this tutorial. If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Also guys, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by at prabha.com and I shall see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye guys.